Imagine a world where precious metals like platinum, nickel, and cobalt are as abundant as the grains of sand on a beach. That's the promise of asteroid mining, a concept that could revolutionize our access to vital resources. Companies like Asteroid, Trans-Astronautica Corporation, and Carmen Plus are gearing up to test their technology in space, drawn by the allure of uncharted wealth. Studies suggest that within a few decades, the extraction of metals from asteroids could outpace their production here on Earth. Indeed, the future of mining might not be on Earth, but in the infinite expanse of space. But who dares to venture into this new frontier, you might ask? The answer is a daring band of innovators who see not just the risks, but also the rewards of asteroid mining. Let's take a moment to appreciate these trailblazers. Asteroid is one such pioneer. With their sights set firmly on the stars, they are preparing to test their technology in the vast expanse of space. They envision a future where the vast riches of asteroids are within our grasp, fueling our economies and propelling our technological advancement. Their ambition is as boundless as the cosmos they seek to explore. Then we have the Trans-Astronautica Corporation, another daring player in this new field. They too are preparing to launch their technology beyond the confines of our blue planet. Their focus is on creating robust and efficient mining technology that can withstand the harsh environment of space. Their dream? To make space mining not just feasible, but profitable. Finally, we have Carmen Plus. This company is taking a slightly different approach, focusing not just on mining, but also on the potential for space manufacturing. Imagine products not just mined in space, but also made there. A future where our very way of life is inextricably linked with the cosmos. Despite the immense challenges, these companies are daring to dream. They are the pioneers of this new frontier, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They are not deterred by the unknown. Instead, they are inspired by it. They see the vast potential of space, and they are ready to seize it. These pioneers are daring to dream big, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They are the torchbearers on this journey into the cosmos, lighting the way for the rest of us. In their hands, the future of space mining looks bright indeed. Yet, the path to the stars is not without its obstacles. As we gaze into the infinite expanse of space, we must acknowledge the hurdles that stand between us and our celestial ambitions. Asteroid mining, although promising, is a journey fraught with technological, economic, and environmental challenges that need to be overcome. Firstly, there's the technological aspect. Mining in space is not as simple as digging a hole in your backyard. It involves developing and deploying advanced machinery capable of enduring the harsh conditions of space, traversing astronomical distances, and extracting valuable resources from asteroids. It's an engineering feat that requires innovation, precision, and above all, resilience. Secondly, we grapple with economic challenges. Space mining is not a cheap endeavor. It requires significant capital investment, not only for the mining activity itself, but also for the necessary research and development. Moreover, the return on investment is uncertain. The value of the minerals extracted from asteroids is not guaranteed and depends heavily on market dynamics back on Earth. Next, we face environmental challenges. While it's true that asteroid mining could potentially reduce the strain on Earth's resources, we must also consider the potential for space pollution. Can we ensure that our activities in space don't create a new set of environmental problems? Then there's the legal conundrum. As it stands, there's no established legal framework to regulate space mining. Who owns the asteroids? Who has the right to mine them? These are questions that need answers before we can proceed. Finally, we are faced with the challenge of the unknown. We need more information about potential asteroid targets. We need to explore, to gather data, to understand what awaits us in the cosmos. The road ahead is fraught with challenges, but every great journey starts with a single step. As we venture into this new frontier, we must remember that the greatest achievements in human history were born from overcoming the seemingly insurmountable. The challenges ahead are not deterrents. They are invitations to innovate, to learn, and to grow. Asteroid mining, like any venture, comes with its share of risks and rewards. Delving into the economic risks of space mining, we find that the high costs of space exploration are a significant barrier. The financial investment required to launch, operate, and maintain spacecrafts is immense. There's also the question of return on investment. The uncertainty of what we'll find on these asteroids and whether we'll be able to extract and bring back valuable resources is a big gamble. On top of that, the current lack of a legal framework to regulate space mining adds another layer of complexity. Who gets to claim what? How will disputes be resolved? These are questions that need answering before we can even think about turning asteroids into a new Klondike. Yet despite these risks, the potential rewards are enormous. Asteroids are believed to contain a vast wealth of resources. We're talking rare and valuable metals like cobalt, nickel, and platinum. These are the kind of materials that could not only fuel the growth of economic activity in space, but also help us meet the increasing demand for these metals back on Earth. Just imagine, in a few decades, space mining could surpass Earth mining in the production of certain metals. Yes, the initial investment is steep, but the potential payoff could be astronomical. There's also the chance that asteroid mining could lead to advancements in technology and science. It's a bold new frontier that could push the boundaries of what we're capable of. But it's important to remember that this is still a fledgling industry. There's a lot we don't know and a lot that could go wrong. It's a risky venture, no doubt about it. But with high risk often comes high reward. The stakes are high, but so are the potential rewards. So, what does the future hold for asteroid mining? As we gaze into the cosmic crystal ball, we see a future where economic activity in space is not just a possibility, but a reality. This growth is driven by our insatiable demand for critical metals like cobalt, nickel, and platinum. Asteroids, those rocky remnants from the dawn of our solar system, could well be the treasure chests of the future. Imagine a time when mining in space surpasses Earth mining in the production of certain metals. It may sound like science fiction, but studies suggest this could happen within the next few decades. Asteroid mining could potentially change the way we think about resources and the economy. No longer would we be limited by the finite resources of our planet, but instead have access to the almost limitless bounty of the cosmos. However, this glittering future is not without its challenges. There are technological, economic, and environmental mountains to climb, not to mention the lack of a legal framework to regulate space mining. The industry faces hurdles in terms of information about potential asteroid targets and the need for further exploration. But let's not forget that every great journey begins with a single step. And the steps we are taking now could lead us to an era where space mining is as commonplace as mining on Earth. The potential rewards are immense, but so too are the risks. Despite these risks, the allure of asteroid mining is undeniable. It's a gamble, yes, but one that could pay off in ways we can barely imagine. It's not just about the potential economic benefits, but also the chance to expand our horizons and push the boundaries of human achievement. The future of asteroid mining is still being written. It's a story of discovery, innovation, and perhaps a dash of audacity. It's a story that will shape not just our economy, but our place in the universe. In the grand scheme of the universe, we are just starting to scratch the surface. To sum it up, asteroid mining presents a new frontier of exploration and opportunity, but also comes with its unique set of challenges. Companies like Astroforge, Trans-Astronautica Corporation, and Karman Plus are leading the charge, yet hurdles such as technological limitations, economic viability, and environmental concerns still lie ahead. The potential rewards, however, are immense. With demand for critical metals on the rise, the next few decades could see space mining surpassing Earth mining in the production of certain metals. As we gaze upon the stars, the question remains, are we ready to take the leap? Remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.